Editions of this competition have provided so much drama down the years, so much romance as well. This year's vintage will no doubt do the same. You can sense that.
And the finish! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
Barcelona with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually.
Heads it!
It's loose, and there's a race for the ball.
Shot a goal! Goal! Barcelona! The ideal start!
Well, it would have been harder to miss.
Yeah, it's simply tragic defending when a renowned finisher is ignored. It's how he built his reputation.
It is a super start. So far, so very good.
They've got to make this nice and quick.
Spread out to the left. Mendieta. And that'll be a goal kick. Over to the left.
Great, but now the finish! It's in! And again, they simply do not know what has hit them.
Oh, what a touch. I mean, how good was that? Poetry in motion.
Barcelona take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
That second goal has such a polarising effect on prospective moods. I mean, one team are under more pressure now.
And he's had a hit!
If they want to counter, they could do with more speed.
Out to the right. Has a look and has a go. That is decidedly lacking.
Yeah, it seemed the right range, and I guess it was worth a try.
He's going for goal! That carried quite a threat.
Pressure already building up here. While facing up to his adversary, this is a formidable matchup. Neymar, who's set up one goal so far. Neymar tries looking up for options on the left. Coming up to half-time, leading, and things are looking pretty good. Knocks it back. Mbbape. Mbbape! Great run on the overlap here. Oh, he's fizzed it forward.
It's a decent chance to counter-attack.
He is through here.
Indicated.
There's the whistle for half-time.
Another show of strength.
Barcelona sitting pretty here at half-time, 2-0 up. And we are already promptly back underway. Neymar, who's on a run down the left wing. Songkrasin. Oh, now here's an interesting matchup. Oh, super ball. Mendieta. And the counter is on. Songkrasin driving forward. Now it's Neymar.
It's Neymar! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. And he's running through. He's had a hit! They are rampant! And with that, he takes home the match ball.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Clinical, just clinical. What a game this is turning out to be for him.
Oh, he's been unstoppable in this match. Every single time he's been in possession, he's looked a threat.
Number 11.
3-0 and things are starting to look awfully cosy.
550.
Oh, he's managed to get himself offside. And he's only too happy to take that back. Driving on and making good progress. That's good running with the ball. Messi. Oh, that is a good ball to find him. Chance! No, not quite.
Oh, it was the first touch to die for, and it set him up beautifully.
Messi gets it away. And out to safety. Mendieta.
He's got the shot away! Goal! Surely now they are well and truly out of sight.
The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
The goal scorer for Barcelona after 75 minutes is number 7.
Things looking so easy, almost too easy here. Neymar. Mendieta! Now that was quite some save.
It was more possible than probable, and the outcome backed it up, Peter.
Have their second corner now.
And he's had a shot! And it's in! How many? Just how many? The gulf in class is vast.
Yeah, it has become ugly for one, but the other is still delivering beauty.
The goal scorer for Barcelona after 81 minutes is number 8.
It's become a case of men against boys.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down, but they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here.
Oh, what a ball! And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Mendieta, and he skips past his man. Shot could be on. It's Neymar!
There will be 5 minutes added time.
And he seemed certain to get the sixth.
A moment to try and place the cherry on the cake.
Has a shot! And that's past the post. Now that's well seen too. 5 minutes to add. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. A demolition, destruction, annihilation. They simply ran away with it. How would you summarise what